Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your username in the Duolingo app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Duolingo app. And here it opens up in the home menu. From here, okay, let's do this again. So from the home menu, we go into the profile menu. Sorry. So we go into the profile menu, then tap on the cog icon in the top right corner, then tap on username, and here we can change our username to whatever we want to, like this, and then tap on save, and it's going to be saved if it's not already taken. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.